Hey guys, it's me. Yeah. I just off outside to show you something. I've got to see Dad. Okay, I'll go put some shoes on. I need to go put some shoes on. I think these are my slippers. Yeah, still recording. Right, let's go. So, all this was footage. As you can see, you might be able to see. So, switches. The garage is flooded. Oh, this was flooded. Say hi, Dad. This was actually probably the worst part. And he's surprisingly done a good job. That part in the wall was filling out with water. And there's that part there, but I won't be able to get over there unless I go like this. I'm doing a video to put on YouTube with my phone. I talk about learning stuff. Oh, Dad, I need you to do a favour. Can you record that? I can't go because I got slippers on. Just go like show them the water. Hi. Don't drop it. Just go show them all the water dripping from the wall. Okay, that'll do. Yeah, what else? We'll go down the front. Bins didn't get wet. Come down here. My finger's that big. And it's dripping from where that red line is. Yeah, I didn't know that happened. Yeah. So where that red line stops, and my hand's that big. So on that finger. Going again. Just in this one here. See, it's about good 2 inch. And that's being cleared up. If you look at that fence, that ain't its normal colour. It's normally a bright beige. Yeah, that's pretty cool.